and I'm going to cut. There she is. Hey you guys, today I'm gonna bring you back behind the scenes while we start cutting some of our rare Aroid collection. So this morning I started taking some of these Monstera Thai Constellation cuttings, and I figured why wouldn't I just bring you alongside while I show you kind of my process of doing that. We've already taken a few so far, 2 of these Thai Constellations, and I'm gonna show you how I go about cutting them and the process of doing that so you can have some successful rare Aroids rooting. So the first thing I'm gonna start with is my shears and my isopropyl alcohol. Put a bit on a paper towel or a cotton ball and clean off your shears. I already washed my hands, so we are good to go there. So these are some of the ones I've already taken, and we put them directly into water as soon as we cut them. It's super important. We have 2 or 3 Thai Constellations, and then we also have an Albo here. So when I'm looking for the next node, what I'm looking for is the adventitious roots. Down here on the bottom, you can see this adventitious root starting to form there. That's what I'm looking for. And then I'm gonna eventually go back behind here, give it a bit of distance. The line is where the node is, give it as much as possible, and then cut. And that's gonna give me these 2 leaves, these humongous Thai Constellation leaves. This is our Thai Constellation mother. And just while we're here, check out this insane Monstera esqueleto, which stands for skeleton, and just the leaves are so crazy. I don't get how this plant isn't more popular. I've never seen something like it. So we're waiting for just these leaves to unfurl here. We've got 2 coming out. It's a strawberry shake we have. She's gorgeous, waiting to be cut also. And again, you're looking for these nodes. It's kind of universal how you take cuttings. These are some cuttings that have already been taken of the Albo. With a clean pair of shears, I'm gonna go as far back as possible. Get my scissors in there. And really make sure you have a good, clean, and sharp pair of scissors. And I'm going to cut. And there it is. There she is. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous cutting. That's the nub I was looking for. That's gonna create a root. We're gonna take her and put her directly into our vase of water. And I also have a rooting hormone inside of this water. Then I'm gonna take a dab of this Keiki Paste we've been experimenting with to kind of seal the wound and encourage branching. So there's the wound, and I'm going to kind of blindly apply it here. So there's our mother after the fact. She's still got some good foliage left over here. All right, so on this White Princess, we're gonna come down here to this adventitious root node and very gently cut and get as many roots as possible. And there is our cutting. This little guy will go straight into a smaller vase of water. So that's really it, guys. We take the cutting right at the node. Make sure to include some of those roots, just like this guy. This is a Paraiso Verde. It was cut yesterday. We soaked them in water overnight to make sure there's no embolism in the stem. We stick them into this water cup, and then we end up going into sphagnum moss. We found roots the best. We're always just experimenting with different recipes and other ways to grow these plants as fast as we can, because it is a business after all. We thought we'd share it with you since you subscribe to this channel, and it's just an easy, fun process. You can make these cuttings at home yourself. The process is the same. Keep the node intact on the mother plant and make sure you have those adventitious roots on your cutting. Hope all is well. Cross your fingers. Don't overwater your cuttings. Put them in bright but indirect light. We use grow lights here. And here is a real gorgeous strawberry shake cutting that should be rooted maybe in 6 or 8 weeks. We hope you enjoyed today's kind of different behind the scenes video. If you did enjoy it, please click the thumbs up down below. It does help us out so much. And if you want to come back every Saturday for more tropical houseplant content, we're going to keep doing more of this rare plant content. Come check us out by clicking subscribe down below, and we'll put out a new video every Saturday. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next Saturday.